Holly the Twister Sister, and this week I've got another Winter Wonderful tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you my staple line work snowman. This is another design that I've had in my clip art vault and available on my clip art store for forever. And it was so easy, I never thought to make a tutorial for it, but I need to fill out the tutorials for all those clip art vault items so that it's easy for my clip art customers to find the tutorial to go with each picture. So I wanted to make this tutorial just to kind of finish things off and fill out that vault. So let's go ahead and get things started. This is a very simple design. Again, this is one of my staple Christmas or holiday season line work items. You're gonna need a 5-inch round, a black 260, and any color 160 or 260s if you don't have a 160 will still work. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my 5-inch round white, and we're gonna go ahead and inflate it, just about 4 little pumps on the hand pump. Now the key on this guy is when you tie off your balloon, you want to make sure the knot is as close to the end of your nozzle as possible. So I'm going to do my knot, and then we're going to try to make sure that it's slid out here as far as it can, so we still have a bit of a neck on our balloon that we can squish like that. So once you have this ready, I'm going to grab the 160. I'll be using red for this guy. This is going to be our snowman scarf. And so to make this scarf, it's real quick. We're just gonna do about a 2 to 3 inch bubble, a small bubble, pinch twist that small bubble, and then hold this and grab your 5-inch round. This is where you're gonna squish it. I don't usually say that when I'm working. Make it look like a bowling pin. And then we're gonna twist off the neck of our balloon there, just like that. We're gonna take the scarf now and we're gonna wrap the remaining balloon around that joint we just made. And we're gonna twist our remaining balloon into the pinch twist that we have here in the front. Like that. And now you want another tail on the scarf to match this one. So I'm just going to twist it off where I want it to end and break off. So you should have something like this. I like to put the little tails of the scarf kind of off to the side instead of straight in the front, so kind of turn them off to the side. Next, we're going to put on the hat for our snowman, so grab a black 260. For the hat, I like to give it sort of a little bit of an appearance of being flat on the top, so to do that, I like to do a deep like apple twist. You don't have to if you're in a hurry or you're not comfortable with that technique, but it changes the look a little bit and I like the way it looks. So I'm gonna stick my finger here on the nozzle and push my finger inside of my balloon. Woo. Go ahead and grab that knot and pull my finger out. And then I'm gonna give it a twist, and then we can kind of flatten out the top of the balloon. So it kind of has a flat top, like a top hat would, all right? Next, I'm going to take this twist here and I'm going to wrap the knot and the nozzle of my white 5-inch round around there. Just kind of in like a figure 8 pattern to lock it on. I'm going to squeeze out my black balloon just a little bit so it's not squishing this hat over quite as much. I'm going to make a small spacer bubble just to bring my balloon over just a little bit. And then we're going to do a small pinch twist. So 2 small bubbles. This one's going to be the pinch twist. So do that pinch twist. And then we're going to take our remaining black balloon and it's going to wrap around the base of our hat. It's going to come all the way around until it connects back to our pinch twist in the back here. So go ahead and wrap it into that pinch twist when you get back to it. And look at that. Isn't it so cute? Once you get here, we're done with our black balloons. You can get rid of the rest. If you'd like to, you can clean up the tails on your scarf, or if you like the way they look, you can leave them. All that's left to do now is the artwork, and then this is what can really make your snowman super duper cute or just kind of cute. So I'm going to start off with 2 big black dots for the eyes. I'm going to do all the black kind of at the same time. So I'm going to do some black dots down the front of his snowman belly. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm gonna give him a mouth. You could either do like little charcoal looking dots for the mouth or just give him a cute happy face. I'm gonna go with something like that. And don't forget the white paint pen to really bring out some cuteness in this character with some little eye spots on the eyes. And then for these buttons, I also like to put some little shiny marks. You could do like sparkle lines. I just kind of like to do the little shiny button look. So we've got that. And then to really finish this guy off, I recommend using some face paint or like a cream blush to add some little blush on the cheeks. Today, since I don't have all of my usual stuff with me because we are in like a temporary living space while we're getting ready to move and everything, I'm using my actual blush, which is a cream blush from MAC, and it works very good on balloons. Look how cute! All right, so that is my go-to staple, super duper fast and easy line work snowman that I love to bust out for the holidays. He doesn't have any arms, but he doesn't need any arms. He looks cute just like this. Now, the other fun thing about this design, if you want to make it a little bit more usable in different ways, maybe you want to put it on a candy cup or on headbands or a wand, you can do this exact same design with a linking balloon. And so the little tip for the linking balloon would be down here at the bottom, and the nozzle would still be at the top for the hat. So you have that little linky bit on the bottom of the balloon to attach this into a 7-petal flower, so that you can add it to headbands and candy cups and anything else you can think of. So either way, you can do this with 5-inch rounds or your favorite linking balloons, and it's gonna be a super great, quick, easy snowman that people just absolutely adore. They think this is so cute. So I hope that it goes over well for you and your customers as well. If you're looking to start the new year with a new balloon twisting menu, maybe you've never tried working with menus so that you can have easy stuff like this as a set of options for people to choose from. It's great for those really fast, crazy, hectic events, and I highly recommend trying out a menu. An easy way to get into it is to check out my free starter menu that I have available for balloon twisters to download. You can print it out at home and have it ready to try out at your next event. It's just a good basic starter menu with some of the easiest designs on it. So the next time you have a really fast line work situation, try out this menu and see if you like it, and it would be a great first step into working with a balloon menu at your events, and I think you're gonna like it. When I started using a menu, I was like, this is the best thing ever, and I have never gone back. So try it out, let me know what you think. And if you make a snowman balloon this week, I'd love to see pictures of your creation. Head on over to our Facebook group where you can share what you made, and we'll be highlighting some of your photos throughout the week. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you guys back again next week for another free balloon animal tutorial. I'll see you then. Bye everyone.